Simplify 16 divided by 9 exponent negative 3 divided by 2 times 16 exponent negative 3 divided by 4 all exponent 1 divided by 3. This is a multiple choice question, and so you solve the question, and after that you pick the correct option. From indices, we know that if we have, let's say, a exponent n times b exponent n, and this is exponent x, we can distribute the x to each one of them, and so we are going to have a exponent nx times b exponent nx. And so if we apply the same thing here, then this will give us 16 divided by 9 exponent negative 3 divided by 2 times 1 divided by 3. So we use the 1 divided by 3 here to multiply the negative 3 divided by 2, just as we did here. Then times, when you come to the second part, you have 16 exponent negative 3 divided by 4 times 1 divided by 3. We use the 1 divided by 3 here to multiply the exponent here, which is negative 3 divided by 4, just as we did here. So when you do this, you see that 3 and 3 will cancel, 3 and 3 will cancel, and so you'll be left with 16 divided by 9 exponent negative 1 divided by 2 times 16 exponent negative 1 divided by 4. 16 can be written in index form as 4 exponent 2, and 9 can also be written in index form as 3 exponent 2. So you have 4 exponent 2 divided by 3 exponent 2 exponent negative 1 divided by 2 times 16 can also be written in index form as 2 exponent 4. But we already have negative 1 divided by 4 here, so times negative 1 divided by 4. When you do this, you can see that 4 and 4 cancels out. In the same way, just as we did here, if we have a exponent n divided by b exponent n, and all of this is exponent x, we can distribute the exponent x, and that will give us a exponent nx divided by b exponent nx. So if we apply the same thing here, then this will give us 4 exponent 2 times negative 1 divided by 2 divided by 3 exponent 2 times negative 1 divided by 2. Then times, we now have 2 exponent negative 1, since 4 and 4 is gone. When you come here to, you see that 2 and 2 be gone, 2 and 2 be gone, and so you'll be left with 4 exponent negative 1 divided by 3 exponent negative 1. And this one will be times 2 exponent negative 1. From indices, we know that if we have a exponent negative 1, it can be written as 1 divided by a. And so, if we have 4 exponent negative 1, it can be written as 1 divided by 4. We have a division sign here, so I'll bring divided by. 3 exponent negative 1 can be written as 1 divided by 3. I'll put this in a bracket. Then times 2 exponent negative 1 can be written as 1 divided by 2. From fractions, we know if we have the division sign here, you change the division sign to multiplication, and then you reciprocate this fraction. And so you have 1 divided by 4 times 3 divided by 1 times, we have 1 divided by 2 here. So you multiply the numerators. If you multiply the numerators, you have 1 times 3 times 1, which will give us 3, divided by, you multiply the denominators, 4 times 1 times 2, which will give us 8. And so when we simplify the expression, we are going to get 3 divided by 8. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is B, 3 divided by 8.